Adam Savage from Tested here in my cave, and I know you haven't stumbled into the wrong timeline or an old video. It is late January 2020, and I'm only just getting around to dealing with my Reddit Secret Santa gift that I got. I had so much fun reading about the response for the gift that I gave. And the transition of the year has been very labor intensive. So only now in the third week of January am I finally getting around to the gift I got from Reddit user Leigero. And holy hell, what a production this is. It's amazing. It comes with a 40-line poem and a whole bunch of puzzle clues. He's really researched me, knows what I like, and has hidden clues all over San Francisco at places that I actually frequent. This is like awesome and just a tiny bit creepy, but all like 99% awesome. So I'm not gonna read the whole poem to you, but right here in the middle, he says, I know you like costumes, they're such a delight, so I'm sending you somewhere called Costumes on Haight. I know it doesn't quite scan, but full marks for the attempt. Costumes on Haight, here we come. So, I've got my envelope from Costumes on Haight. It's got a clue in it. To be clear, a Reddit user, Leigero, does this as a business and started doing it as a Secret Santa gift for Reddit. It's totally amazing how interactive he makes his Santa gifts. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Savage builds your awesome builds being moving on, no costumes necessary. Match each episode title to the build of that episode and circle the letters you cross. Okay, here we go. So, Dogfight Derby. Okay, that's that. So what he's done here is he has created a emoji outline of each of the episodes of Savage Builds, my show on Discovery. And I'm supposed to match the title of the episode with the emoji sentence that describes the episode. He did a lot of work for this. Okay, Hollywood's Deadliest Weapon. Mad Max Melee. All right, the clue from Costumes on Haight seems to be the number 3, spelled out in the 5 letters that spell 3. So I believe that probably gets entered into this combo log here. All right, now after Costumes on Haight, next list goes, next on the list is the one I'm sure you've seen. They go by the name SMP Machine. Holy cow, seriously? Kevin Binkert? That's awesome. Old SRL machine artist, incredible fabricator. All right, to Kevin's shop we go. All right, SMP Machine envelope is full of little chunks of paper. Oh, okay, it's a puzzle. All right, let's see here, what do we got? I think that goes one. Yep. Oh, yeah. Hey, I think I know what, it's a number. The number 5. All right. Up next is a quaint little shop, a bakery, Tartine. Tartine. The best bread in the world comes from Tartine. You were wondering where it came from. It does. Okay, off to Tartine. I'm going to get full there. Here we go. All right. Got some macaroons. Oh my God, so good. Okay. Tartine's clue. Oh, wow. It's a domino code. Let's see here. The shaded squares in Braille to find your answer. Ah, okay, cool. So here we go. Chewing gum prevents you from crying while chopping onions. No. You can cook a shrimp midair by throwing it through fire. No. Okay. So the first one is T. Okay. W. I bet I know what the last letter is. Yep. O. Okay, here we go. T2. One more clue remains. When evening falls, there'll be dinner for 2. No way. At Locanda. Oh my God. So my wife and I already eat at Locanda like once a month. Fabulous. Okay, I'm gonna go away, have dinner at Locanda, and I'm gonna come on back. Here I am back from Locanda with the last clue. Okay, This is Nation of Makers. To discover the final lockbox digit, find the names of 6 iconic makers. How awesome. All right. Stephanie Kolak. Oh, yeah, here we go. And there it is, S-E-V-E-N. The last clue is 7. Oh! Padlock open. Oh, okay, here we go. We have all sorts of things. We've got a little case, we've got a bag, some padding, a card, custom made from curly maple. This is a beautiful box. There's a key. There's a pair of keys in here. Okay, and Lockbox Adventures. That's awesome. The swag is always welcome. What do we got here? Combination of the safe. Hey! The combination of the safe. So I have a combination. I also have keys. So something tells me there's still a little ways to go. Okay, what's in here? Lockbox, nice. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, if this is the case, there we go. Oh, there we go. Ladies and germs. Well, that's the manual for the safe. We have another picture frame with some stuff in it. This is, oh, that's beautiful. He made a donation to Nation of Makers. That is awesome. I love those kind of gifts. Oh my God, there's all these presents. Holy hell. Okay, there's another picture frame. Making a difference. He's subscribed as a premium member to Tested. Fabulous. Welcome. Welcome. We have more pictures in here. What is something Adam has probably never received before? His own book signed by someone else. That is absolutely true. I have not received it. Is that what this is? All right. Excellent. Thank you. Oh my God, the key to success is different for everybody. Lockbox guy, thank you. Let's see, we got this package here. Old Bay seasoning, interesting. For steamed crabs, okay. Okay, excellent. Moving on here, we've got, you know what this feels like? This feels like opening my stocking on Christmas morning is what this feels like. This is some kind of laser cut, oh, is it seriously a laser cut dodo? Holy shitballs, that is hilarious and awesome. Yes, so in this bag is a tab and slot laser cut dodo bird. Okay, I'll see you later. Let's see. We've got, gee, I wonder what this could be. Feels like a coffee cup. Maryland, excellent. Love Baltimore, love Maryland. Don't mean to reject the rest of Maryland. Oh, I think these are expansion bolts for bolting the safe into your wall. Let's see. These are a little something from my home, some cultural seasoning. Ah, there we go, now I understand. This is like Maryland seasoning. Okay, terrific. We have, ooh, oh, hello, a throw. That's weird that you somehow knew that I love this kind of thing. It's not something I talk about, but we have a whole crap ton of throws in the house, and this is fabulous for watching television. Oh my God. It's a tasteful color and really well made. Thank you. That is fabulous. And last but not least, this is its own puzzle. Pull out the shelf. That's it. There we go. Nope, that's everything in there. Let's see what we got. Mission X code. Oh, a puzzle game to play with other people. That is fantastic. Oh my God, Leigero. I feel inadequate to the task of playing Secret Santa when I am confronted with a level of complexity and thoughtfulness here. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Merry Christmas. Hold on, wait a second. Here we go. Thank you, Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. This is Adam wrapping up the Christmas season 3 weeks into January, untested. Merry Christmas, everyone.